Okay, hi guys. Today I'm going to explain the mental model, and generally mental model is not technical analysis. It's something between technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So once you identify an investment opportunity, you need to set that basically on standard of fundamental analysis. You need to base your investment on that. Generally, what is the best investment? What is you need to identify that. So I'm not going to talk about how you identify the investment opportunity, because this is not what we are going to discuss here, but I'm going to discuss the mental models. Okay. Generally, between when the project started, like any potential project, like I'm talking about like 30x or 40x project, like you make like 30 or 40 times your money. So it starts like this at the beginning. Let's say we will divide the project to the two stages. Okay, we will say this is the first stage. Okay, stage one. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me change this. Okay, stage one. Okay, it's the volatility of the project going to be really high. So the mental models generally is make you to stay on the beach. You don't need to dive in. Okay, so the first stage we are not going to dive in. Okay, clear. So the volatility here is going to be high. So what do you do as investor? Generally you buy low, you sell high, but with high volatility. This is the first 2 years of the project. Okay, and from here to here, the first year, the volatility is higher. Actually, is going to be like that. So wait, the volatility here is like too much. So what are you doing here? It's just like here you set your target on 3-day basis. So on second year, the volatility will become like a little bit slower, but it's still high. Okay, but between these points there is mental model high one. There is a mental model going to happen. It's very lower. So this point is buying point. This is equal gold. Okay, and absolutely there will be some higher high. Okay, in the second year, like example, simple, you need to identify like the in term of just wiped off this. Anyway, I cannot return this, I don't know. Anyway, the second year, we what's going to happen after approaching that point? Okay, we have the higher mental model. So generally the higher mental model is after you bought here, we'll say like you completed here 1 year, or let's say it's not accurate actually, like 2 years and 3 months. Okay, if you completed here, then it's just dipped here. So you buy this point, then what happened here? We have like the project become heavier. So things is going to be heavy here. After you bought here, like it's going to be like that. then you have another mental model. So actually this is our dip, so it will keep growing till the second mental model is achieved. So how you identify the mental models is according to the market cap of the project. What is the potential of it? Like, what is the maximum potential of the project? You need to identify that. So this is based on the experience and the investment plan you make, and the industry of this project, and what is the maximum limits according to the team, to the idea, to the demand of the project. So I just wanted to share these models. So basically the mental models is telling you to simply to stay on the beach on the first year and the second year, and you keep diving very slowly. Okay, you keep diving very slowly. When you start to dive, and really, like, even when the lower, even with the dip exists, like within this time, you just increasing your timing, your trade timing. Like at the first year it's 3 days, then the first and half year it's going to be weekly trade, then maybe after 2 years you're going to make it like 2 weeks trade, and it's like that, and sometimes it reach to 3 weeks trade, so per trade. So, and on the after 2 years, second stage is going to be like monthly trade, because the price going to really like climb and going to really skyrocket. So in this way, like, you increase your probability of reducing the risk and increasing your probability of success. This is generally like idea on the mental models. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.